Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor. And now, this is the moment real estate fans across the world have been waiting for. Presenting the undisputed real estate builder, champion of the world, Grand Homes. And y'all, look at this. Huge front patio. One of my favorite parts about this house. Now that is relaxing. That screams vibes. Absolutely love this. And it is adjacent from the Greenbelt, but this is the model home. And let's head inside. And if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button to join the America's Realtors YouTube family. I would love to have you come aboard my real estate ship. We do sail the 7 seas. And as always, please let me know in the comments below if you would live in a place like this. And if you're looking to move to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website or Instagram and fill out an inquiry form. So my Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all Americas_realtor. That is my handle. And my website is www.alexpmaloney.com. And I am brokered by Compass Real Estate. So let's get started with the tour. I've already shown you guys a good amount. So the starting price in this community is $640,000. And they have different floor plans as always. This is, like I was saying, the model home. So it is a lot more decked out with upgrades than your normal base floor plan. But the base price for this exact floor plan that the model is sitting on starts at $750,000. And this is the guest suite. Double vanity, garden tub, stand-up shower. Quartz countertops. It's got a little bench in that stand-up shower, which is great. Love when they add that. Modern lighting fixtures. Here is the toilet. And I love when they do this. So this is the closet, and they actually made it go all the way through. A lot of the builders will make that half and half, like a his and hers closet, but honestly, I think it's better to just put it all the way through and make it a huge closet personally. And as always, I open this door for y'all so you can see how they build. And let's go back out. And as I was saying, y'all, we are in Rockwall, Texas, brand new community. And this community is called Somerset. And this is the address to the model home, so if you ever want to visit. Also, if you ever visit this model home or any model home, tell them Alex Maloney with Compass, aka America's Realtor, sent you, and they will take awesome care of y'all. Absolutely. And then, as always, if you need help negotiating or anything like that, always let me know. Go ahead and DM me on Instagram or TikTok or anything like that. My phone number is 817-716-9412. So go ahead and call me, reach out to me. My email is alexmaloney@compass.com, or another personal email is alexpmaloney gmail.com. But yeah, I take great care of my clients, y'all. I try to negotiate the best price, the best terms possible. A lot of people just think it's about the price, but you also have to take into account terms and stuff like that. There's a lot more that goes into it than just price. So I, try to negotiate the best terms possible. And go ahead and check me out on Google, my reviews, and let me know what you think there too. And as I was saying, this is Somerset Park. So let's see. The address is 4405 Sylvan Park. I'm going to spell that for y'all. Sylvan space Park Drive. So 4405 Sylvan Park Drive in Rockwall, Texas, 75032. And the model home hours are Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Sunday, 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. And it is, a lot of people ask me, is this family-friendly community, Absolutely family-friendly community. These school districts are amazing. And it is located just minutes from Lake Ray Hubbard. I'm a big lake person, so I know all the lakes around here. Actually, dock on Lake Louisville. Love that lake. But this one, Lake Ray Hubbard, awesome lake. Love it. Lavon is right above it. That's a pretty good lake too. Ray Roberts is north of Lake Louisville. And that is a good lake as well. Lake Grapevine, a little small lake, but it's also super great. A lot of people love that lake. That's more of the central lake. And Eagle Mountain is the Fort Worth lake, the most popular one, I feel like. There's another southern lake called Granbury. But yeah, this one is pretty much walking distance to Lake Ray Hubbard. So very, very nice lake, prestigious lake. And a lot of outdoor activities. Bike trails, walking trails, boating, fishing, sailing, kayaking. You can picnic. So it's a very, very good place to be, without a doubt. And it does, this neighborhood also does have a community swimming pool that is going to be built. But yes, y'all, this is a fantastic community. And a lot of shopping nearby. Harbor Rockwall, Plaza at Rockwall, shops at Legacy Village, Rockwall Crossing, Firewheel Town Center, list goes on. And there is a disc golf course nearby as well called Harry Myers, which is pretty cool. And like I was saying, there's biking trails, so Squabble Creek Mountain bike trails over there, and Pettinger Nature Preserve, so if you like to take some hikes and whatnot. And like I was saying, it is Rockwall ISD. And I forgot to mention the elementary, middle, and high school. So it's Springer Elementary, Kane Middle, and Heath High School. Man, Rockwall Heath, they were very good in baseball when I played. I played in high school at Keller High School, and that was one of our rivals. They were super, super good at baseball. They had a great baseball program. And I ended up playing at a junior college and then played on the club team at Texas Tech. Wreckham Tech, go Red Raiders. And here's the wine cellar. And great open floor plan, y'all. Love the windows here. They did a fantastic job designing. The interior designer did a knockout job, as always. And let's head outside. Nice spacious backyard. It is hilly, which is kind of like, rare It's usually just flat, but gives it a little character. I love it. Fire pit right here. And then a relaxing area for family and friend get-togethers. And this one is situated on corner lot, as you can tell. And that is it, y'all. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour with your host, Alex Maloney, aka America's Realtor. And I will see y'all on the next one.